postpone it today. That is why we are here. No? Our Christ Embassy Week celebration has what is the theme? Put on the armor of God. No? Put on the armor of God. We say, if you are with the Lord or with God, no? Nothing is against you. No? If you are with the Lord, no one will be against you. Do you agree? And that should be the center of our lives, no? To have, it is good, no? And successful life here on earth. Or lives here on earth. So, last week, you had many activities such as Bible quiz, the Bible scenery, the first choir. No? Those are some of the activities that we have had last week. And through these activities, we will be able to know better who Jesus Christ is. And I believe you have had it, understood it. So this afternoon, no, I would like to welcome you again to this our coronation of Christ Embassy Week. And again, I would like to welcome all of you. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Amelia, for that welcome address. So at this moment of time, let's be inspired by listening to our very own Joyce C.S. Choir. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Tulugin! Para inspire sila magkanta. Thank you so much, Joyce Hias Choir, for the angelic voices. Grabe ka talenta ng taga-Joy, di ba? Hay, mo idea, hindi ka talenta yung mga taga-Joy ay. Talenta rin din! Oo, kailangan. Sagad nagsakot, danceris pa, singeris pa, di ba? Drama-drama pa, di ba? Smart pa, di ba? So we are our school is not just small school, but we are very talented students here inside the So at this moment, guys, we will give you 10 minutes to prepare for your speech choir. Again, you will proceed to your classrooms. Ang hindi na mag-change sa ila na attire, just stay inside the hall. Pero for those students, you may proceed to your classrooms to change and prepare for your speech choir. We'll just give you 10 minutes, and after that, we'll ring the bell.
Ma-change ka man?